99% of the clips in this video will be filmed on the Muse, unless I'm recording the Muse itself. So smooth and sleek, and it rocks a full 1-inch CMOS sensor. It's so reactive and buttery. It's got gorgeous 4K and up to 120 frames per second. Or tracking kitties, because they're just life. It's got gorgeous 4K videos and 120 frames per second, so your slow-mos are gonna look buttery smooth. That built-in 3-axis gimbal keeps things stable whether you're dancing or just going for a walk. Let's see how low light works. And just look at that quality. Even in the dark, features are still distinct, and I just absolutely love the wide-angle field of view. That 2-inch touchscreen makes it so easy to frame your shot, and I just love how you can set up your phone and see what you're doing from far away, so you don't have to have it right next to you. With the face tracking, you can also reframe where you want your subject. Say I want to stay in that right side corner, you're good. Maybe I just want to be ahead. For all the color lovers out there, it supports true 10-bit Xlog, which means a billion color options when you add it. You can add LUTs and fine-tune exactly how you want. Low light footage is still going to look rich and cinematic. And you've just got so much customization and control. I love that you can switch from horizontal to vertical, whether you're doing YouTubes or filming for TikTok. And this thing is absolutely phenomenal if you do any kind of live stream or webcam at work. It follows you, it keeps you professional looking. I used to lug around huge gimbals. They would break every 4 months. And this is just so small, separate from my phone. Amazing. There's no balancing needed or fumbling with putting your phone on the gimbal. It's just a cute little robot that does exactly what you want visually, so that all your shots and content are top-notch. When I'm ready to move my videos over to my phone, it's so fast. Many huge files at once in a couple minutes. Make sure your SD card is U3. Most of them are UHS-1, but make sure it's UHS-1, U3, so it's compatible.